to disassemble your flute. As you see here, we're going to take them out. This is here. This one here. Then you'll find this in your suitcase, and you'll find this in your suitcase. So with this, we're gonna put it on the stick, and then it's like this, and we just put this. And then we've got one of our pieces, and then we stick it in like this. Then it cleans it for us. Then we gently put it in. Just once again put it in here, so then it cleans it. And then we slowly put it in. Then we've got this big one. We're gonna put the stick inside it, then take it out, and it's gonna get cleaned. Make sure to keep cleaning your cloth so it doesn't get stinky and this is how to disassemble the flute. How to assemble the flute. So here we have the flute. I'm gonna just take it out carefully by the tips. You've got one piece. Now we've got the other piece. Then we've got the third piece. So with this piece and this piece, we're going to connect it over here. Then this hole is going to be aligned with these keys. So here it's aligned. Then with this one, gonna connect it. And then this line, it's going to be aligned with the middle of the keys, at the middle. So this part is like, imagine there's a line, keep going on, then this is going to be over here in the middle. So this is where it is. And then you've got a flute.